Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some new products to show you by Stylevana. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so this box just arrived. Stylevana did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, let's go ahead and dive in. We're gonna see which products are in here, and I'm super excited. You guys, Stylevana is on point with anything and everything related to K-beauty and J-beauty, and I am loving everything that they have sent to me. So let's go ahead and see what is going to be in this one. This one's not like my main monthly one. This is only one company, so I'm super excited. So let's get this out. So there's 3 different products. Again, they're all from the same brand. The brand name is Purito, and I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one here first. It's the Daily Go-To Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum, SPF 50+, PA++++, UVA, UVB protection, weightless, and scentless. It's a 60 ml. It smoothly glides onto the skin, delivering strong and effective protection from UV rays. Formulated based on both chemical and physical filters, this fragrance-free sunscreen has a lightweight and fast-absorbing texture, making it comfortable for every use. And this is an actual sunscreen, which is amazing, you guys. I absolutely love sunscreen, especially being here in Florida. I need these almost on a daily basis. It says directions: apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply after 40 minutes of swimming or sweating, or immediately after towel drying, or at least 2 hours, then you can reapply as well. Sun protection measures: spending time in the sun increases your risk of skin cancer and early skin aging. To decrease the risk, regularly use a sunscreen with a broad spectrum SPF of 15 or higher, and other sun protection measures, including limited time in the sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. That's probably the strongest rays at that time. Wear long sleeve shirts, pants, hats, and sunglasses. And children under 6 months, ask a doctor. So we have this sunscreen right here. And what it looks like inside is right there. This is definitely a great size for you to put down in your beach bag, your lake bag. If your kids do sports, you can drop it in there. You never know. You leave it in your car, that kind of thing, or just have it on hand at your house. So I, again, love getting sunscreens, especially living in a state that it's like sunny every single day. Okay, so a quick update. I just want you guys to know, when I was putting it on for the side shot, I wanted to go a little bit more in depth with this particular lotion because I noticed a really big difference. I have been getting a lot of sunscreen, especially lately, and I love it. But this sunscreen is completely different than others. When I put it on, for one, the first thing that I noticed was like I was putting on a normal lotion. It was very moisturized. It felt very good to the touch. It still does. It feels amazing even now. But when I was putting it on, one thing that I don't like about a sunscreen is if it's all white and it takes forever to try to blend it in, or you can't blend it in and you just have white stuff all over. This one did not have that whatsoever. It blended in perfectly. There's no scent. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that. You don't have any sticky. It just feels really nice and moisturized, and it did protect me from the sun. It did its job. So I really like it. And again, it feels very moisturized, very nice. There's no scent. It just felt really nice. So I wanted you to know. So I love that. So there's item number 1. Now we'll go with this product right here. This is the Defense Barrier pH Cleanser. Ooh, I love me some cleansers. It's a mild gel type cleanser that effectively and gently cleanses oil impurities and pollutants without leaving dryness or irritation. As this gentle cleanser is pH balanced, which is pH 5.5, it is recommended for sensitive skin as a daily cleanser. With refreshing natural ingredients and low pH levels, it helps keep your skin soft and moisturized. Suitable for sensitive skin, clear gel type daily cleanser. It has a centella extract, soft and moisturizing. This is what it looks like. Now this one right here says how to use. After first cleansing with makeup remover, use it as a second facial cleanser and morning cleanser. Take a moderate amount of water to work into a lather. Apply the foam directly on the skin and massage in circular motions, and then rinse with lukewarm water. So take your makeup off first and then use this as a cleanser. That's actually what I do. I use a balm or like an oil to get everything off first, and then I use the cleanser. So I'm super excited to try this one out for you guys. Now we have is a green foam cleansing oil. So this might be the one to remove my makeup first, and then I can use that. So cool. It says 5 natural nutritive oils, refreshing texture, gentle cleansing oil, hydrates and nourishes skin for all skin types with simple natural ingredients. An olive oil based facial cleansing oil that instantly removes makeup, sunscreen residue, and skin impurities. Infused with 5 natural oils, it helps gently and effectively cleanse the skin while maintaining the skin's moisture barrier. Mild enough for all skin types for daily use. Oh my goodness. All right, so that is what I'm gonna do. I can take my makeup off with this. There is a pump it up. And here is the product inside. So I can remove my makeup with this first and then use the barrier cleanser to clean my face. I like it. So this one here says directions: dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the dry palms of your hand and gently massage your dry face with it for 30 seconds. Add water, continuing to massage to melt makeup and impurities, then rinse with warm water for a clean finish and follow with a foaming cleanser. So here is this little guy. Put in your pumper, remove this guy, and now you have a pump it up with the cleansing oil. It is a green bottle, so this is what it looks like. Super exciting. So even fresh out of the shower, when I cleaned my face before getting in, it still feels super soft. It just feels very good using the 2 formulas with the oil with the dry skin and then adding a little bit of the water when it foamed up. That was just a really good experience in itself. And then using the cleanser, one, it kind of smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. It has like a menthol-y scent to it, which isn't bad and it's not too strong. But those two, I guess, combined together make an amazing power team because my face feels amazing. I haven't even toned, did anything else to it yet. I just got out of the shower and it still just feels super soft. And I even had my man feel it. I was like, my face feels so soft. He's like, ooh, yeah, like a baby's bootay. And I was like, I don't know about baby's bootay, but I'm feeling myself. It just feels really good. Okay, so that is the 3 different items that they sent from this brand, so I can show you a new brand. That is awesome. I will link everything down below. Each individual one will be linked, plus Stylevana in general, all of their different websites through different countries. Everything will be linked down below in my description box. And if you do purchase anything, you can use my code, which is INF10 SheCrafty. That is going to get you 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout. But it would be at least 10% off. And again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go check them out, check out their site, see all of the different K-beauty and J-beauty that they have to offer. They have everything, let me tell you. So thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending me these products to test out. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys comment down below. Let me know, have you ever heard of this brand? Do you want to go check out this brand? Have you purchased anything from Stylevana? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.